were summoned by the court have told us that they gave instructions and they have that officer that was instructed to carry out investigations, and the court may wish to hear from that officer. That's what we are pursuing. Let him take the stand, tell us what he has done, pursuant to instructions by his bosses, and then they will leave us to deal with our businesses.
Thank you very much for that clarity. That is the clarity I sought, Your Lordship.
Thank you.
I swear in the name of Almighty God that the evidence that shall give before this court touching on matters shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Please introduce yourself to court.
My lords, I am Mr. Paul Wachira, an Assistant Inspector General of Police, currently serving with the Directorate of Criminal Investigations as the Deputy Director Investigations Bureau.
You are currently
the Deputy Director Investigations Bureau.
Mr. Wachira, you were introduced a few moments ago by the Inspector General of Police and the Director of Criminal Investigation as the officer in charge of the investigations that are the subject matter of these proceedings. What would you like to share with the court or tell court about where you are with these investigations?
My lords, after receiving the instructions, I would like to confirm that cases of missing persons, because the three reports were made of missing persons at the River and Mlolongo police stations. Ordinarily, they are handled by investigators from the local police station. However, when it becomes apparent that these are serious matters because of public interest and other considerations, the DCI is mandated to investigate the cases. In that respect, 2 inquiry files were opened, registered as DCI at the River Inquiry File number 33 of 2024.
Two inquiry files were opened?
Yes, Your Lord. DCI Inquiry File, DCI at the River Inquiry File number 33 of 2024.
Number?
33 of 2024, my lord.
At the river?
At the river.
Yes.
At Mlolongo, DCI Mlolongo, inquiry file number 2 of 2025. My lords, investigations, criminal investigations is a process where we commence by circulating the names of the missing persons to all police stations in Kenya to confirm whether they may have been arrested. The places where the 3 persons were reported to have been missing were visited by investigators And all persons of interest were interviewed. And their statements recorded. My lords, in the first instance, the case, this I read by inquiry number 33 of 2024. The case was
Number?
33 of 2024, my lords.
That's at Mlolongo.
Adriva, my
Oh,
lords.
at the river.
Yes, my lord. It was reported that two persons Justus Mutumwa Musimi alias Sungura of mobile telephone numbers 0731 299 041. Another mobile number 0792 84 8854. It was reported that Justice Mutumwa Musimi together with Martin Mwau alias Mzungu disappeared. Martin Mwau Mzuko alias Mzungu. That they disappeared on the 17th of December 2024. While riding on a Honda motorcycle, registration number KMGM 618R. It was stated that, according to the OB entry, that they were leaving for Kitui on a mission. Investigations into this matter are ongoing.
They were leaving for Kitui?
On a business trip.
Yes.
My lords, investigations into this matter is currently ongoing. In respect of getting information, and due to the Data Protection Act, some of the informations that we require to get require court process, where we are provided with orders to investigate communication and other financial transactions. We also engage other private and government agencies to provide information that become apparent from the witness statements. My lords, in the second case, inquiry number 2 of 2025, a report was made by one Susan Mwema, who is a sister to Karani Mwema. The report was made on 26th December 2024. The sister indicated that Karani Mwema
What was made on?
26th December 2024, my lords.
Yes.
That the brother had been missing since 12th December 2024.
Since 12th of December?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lords, again, this case is still pending under investigations. We have engaged various witnesses. Service providers. And private entities for purposes of following the investigative leads available. My lords, along the process of investigations, we have encountered certain challenges. Of witnesses not willing to provide information, willingly, and that is why we have to go through the legal processes. My lords, that's all.
Okay, Mr. Omar.
We will have no questions to the witness.
Mr. Kuria Fande? It is Fande Kuria. Thank you, petitioners.
Yes, madam. I have a few questions.
You are Mr. Oduor.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ashira.
Afternoon, Mr. Odinga.
Mr. Ashira, you state, are you aware that you are a member of the National Security Council?
My lords, personally, I'm not a member. It is the NPS which is the member.
You stated.
So we got the answer.
Yes.
Okay.
You stated that you visited the scene.
My lords, yes. I've seen or visited all of them.
that you recorded statement.
Yes, my lords.
After recording your statement, sir, were you able to ascertain who these guys were responsible for conducting suggested?
My lords, I have stated that the matter is pending under investigation. Investigation is a process. And in due course of time, we are going to provide the duplicate files to the ODPP with our findings and recommendations.
Sir, you stated that these people disappeared on the 17th of December.
No, my lords. I've stated that we have an occurrence book entry made at the River Police Station, the first one. Entry number 23 made on 21st of December 2024, indicating that Justus Mutumwa Musimi and Martin Mwau Nzioko disappeared on 17th of December 2024.
That report was made where?
On 21st December 2024, my lords.
Where?
At the River Police Station.
That? Who was missing?
Justus Mutumwa Musimi and Martin Mwau Nzioko.
And Martin Mwau.
Yes, my lord.
You're missing since when?
17th of December 2024, my lord.
And you stated that they are not in police custody.
Yes, my lords. After circulating the information to all police stations, police posts, patrol bases, including DCI offices in the Republic of Kenya, we have not received any single entry that they were in police custody.
Okay, just to put it in context, sir, you've said that you, due to data protection rules, you've not been able to get all the facilities you need for investigation.
No, my lords, I have not stated that. I have indicated, my lords, that it is a requirement under the Data Protection Act. When you need information about a particular citizen, you have to obtain court orders, served probably you need M-Pesa statements, you serve to Safaricom or any other service provider for you to get that statement. So it's a process, my lords.
I agree with you. Now, you can correct me if I'm wrong. For you to get the court orders as an investigating officer, you always approach the court with a miscellaneous application.
Yes, my lords.
So would you explain to court why it would take more than a month for you to be issued with an order and a miscellaneous application?
My lord, that question would suggest that the court knows best, or counsel knows best, how an investigation is to be conducted. What is before you is a habeas corpus, and it is not a supervision of the investigation by my clients. Perhaps counsel can be encouraged to constrain himself to the habeas corpus.
Thank you. Let me restrain. Have you made any
Mr. Jamodi, I remind all of you that when the officers took the stand, they said they directed investigations be conducted and handed over an officer to tell how far investigations had gone. So they delegated. So let's not, so he's trying to ask a question. So the only question you can ask is in relation to what he has said and what will assist us. As to why it took between when the report was made and when the orders were sought, can you proceed?
Yes. Sorry. Okay, sir. Just to remind you, you're still under oath.
He knows. He has not declined to answer any question. So you don't have to remind him. I will do if he has failed to answer a question.
My lords, thank you for that protection.
Now, you stated that you've been carrying out investigation in this matter as the leading investigator.
Yes, my lords.
Sir, have you produced any document before this court or any report before this court showing the progress we've made?
Did he
My
have to?
lords, it would be prejudicial.
Wait. I've not allowed you to answer the question.
Thank you, my lords.
Did he have to?
Yes.
He had to. Okay. So don't answer that question.
Thank you, my lords.
Ask another question. You know why we are here. Yes.
My last question to you. Since you're the leading investigator officer, we have the family of the petitioners with us in court. And it has taken more than a month for any information to be provided of their whereabouts. And a day more is still long to the family of the petitioners. What should we tell them before this court today in terms of the investigation?
That's an opinion.
Thank you for that. No further question.
You are done.
No further question.
He has said that some of the reportees or people who should assist have not volunteered to give necessary information. Did you hear that?
Yes.
What is your answer to that?
I will not believe it.
We're not bound to.
Yes.
But what is would you do you see the point?
I see the point. But
Any other question?
no further question.
Thank you.
Thank you, my
You
lords.
can step down and you are released.